Good morning children, Sai Ram. Welcome back to your online class. In today's class of English Grammar, we will continue with chapter number 6, Degrees of Comparison, part 2. Now children, what is an adjective? Yes, you are right. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. I repeat, an adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. The adjectives help us to compare things with each other. So, they are called as the degrees of comparison. I repeat, the adjectives help us to compare things with each other. So, they are called as the degrees of comparison. Now, there are three degrees of comparison. They are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now children, here the word small is an adjective. Here the word small is an adjective. So the word small is a positive degree. Now the word smaller is a comparative degree. And the word smallest is a superlative degree, right? Small, smaller and the smallest. Okay. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Small, smaller and the smallest. Now children, let's do an activity. Complete the table. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now here the word short is an adjective, right? So children, what will be the comparative degree of the word short? Yes, you are right. The comparative degree of the word short is shorter. And what will be the superlative degree? Yes, you are correct. The superlative degree of the word short will be the shortest, right? Next. Now here the word is weak. Here the adjective is weak. Now it is in the positive degree, right or not? Now you have to tell me the comparative degree of the word weak. Okay, so children, what will be the comparative degree of the word weak? Yes, you are correct. The comparative degree of the word will be weaker and the superlative degree of the word weak will be weakest. Okay, now next. Now here the word wise is a positive degree, right? Now you have to tell me the comparative degree of the word wise. So children, what will be the comparative degree of the word wise? Yes, you are correct. The comparative degree of the word wise is wiser. And what will be the superlative degree? Yes, the superlative degree of the word wise will be wisest. Now, next. Now here the word is white. You have to tell me the comparative degree of the word white. Now children, what will be the comparative degree? Yes, you are correct. The comparative degree of the word white will be whiter. And what will be the superlative degree now? Yes, the superlative degree of the word white will be whitest. Okay. Now, next. Now here the word is sad. Okay. It is in the positive state. Okay. It is in the positive degree. Okay. Now you have to tell me the comparative degree of the word sad. So children, what will be the comparative degree of the word sad? Yes, you are absolutely right. The comparative degree of the word sad will be sadder. And what will be the superlative degree? Yes, you are correct. The superlative degree of the word sad will be saddest. Next. Now children, here the word is fat. Okay, here the adjective is fat. Okay, now here the word fat is a positive degree. You have to tell me the comparative and the superlative degree of the word fat. Okay. So children, the comparative degree of the word fat will be fatter. And what will be the superlative degree? Yes, you are correct. The superlative degree of the word fat will be fattest. Okay, understood? Now, next. Now here, the word is happy. Okay. And the word happy is a positive degree. Now, you have to tell me the comparative and the superlative degree of the word happy. So children, what will be the comparative degree of the word happy? Yes, you are correct. The comparative degree of the word happy is happier. Okay. And what will be the superlative degree, children? Yes, you are correct. The superlative degree of the word happy will be happiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Okay. Next. Now here the word is ugly. Okay. It is a positive degree. You have to tell me the comparative and the superlative degree of the word ugly. So children, what will be the comparative degree of the word ugly? Yes, you are correct. The comparative degree of the word ugly will be uglier. And what will be the superlative degree? Yes, the superlative degree of the word ugly will be ugliest. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Next. Now here the word is useful. It is a positive degree. Now tell me the comparative and superlative degree of the word useful. Yes, you are correct. The comparative degree of the word useful will be more useful. You cannot say usefuler. You have to tell more useful. Okay. And children, what will be the superlative degree of the word useful? Yes. The superlative degree of the word useful will be most useful. Okay. You cannot say usefulest. No, it is wrong. So the correct word is most useful. Okay. Next. Now here the word is beautiful. Beautiful is a positive degree, right? Now tell me the comparative and superlative degree, children. Yes, you are correct. The comparative degree of the word beautiful will be more beautiful. Understood? The correct form is more beautiful. You cannot say beautifuler. That is wrong. Beautifuler is wrong. So the correct form is more beautiful. Okay. Now, what is the superlative degree, children? Yes. The superlative degree of the word beautiful will be most beautiful. Understood? You cannot say beautifulest. That is also wrong. So you have to tell most beautiful. Okay. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Next. Now here the word is bad. Bad is a positive degree. Let me tell you the comparative and the superlative degree of the word bad. Children, the comparative degree of the word bad is worse. The comparative degree of the bad is worse. And the superlative degree of the word bad will be worst. Okay. Bad, worse, worst. Next. Now here, the word is much. It is a positive degree. So children, what will be the comparative degree? Yes, the comparative degree of the word much is more. And what will be the superlative degree, children? The superlative degree of the word much will be most. Much, more, most. Now, next. Now here, the word is good. Children, you have to tell me the comparative and the superlative degree of the word good. Yes, you are correct. The comparative degree of the word good is better. And the superlative degree of the word good is best. Good, better, best. Now children, let us move on to the next question. Fill in the blanks with the comparative or superlative degree of the adjectives given in brackets. Number 1. My bag is dash than yours. I repeat, my bag is dash than yours. Now here in the bracket the word is heavy. Okay, the adjective is heavy. So the heavy is a positive degree, right? You have to write the comparative or the superlative degree of the adjective, right? So children, now here my bag is dash than yours. Now here two bags are compared, right or not? So what will come over here? Comparative or superlative degree? Yes, comparative degree. Correct. So what will you write? Yes, you are right. You will write my bag is heavier than yours. Okay. My bag is heavier than yours. Because here two bags are compared. Right or not? So you will write my bag is heavier than yours. So heavier is the comparative degree of the adjective heavy. Now next. Number 2. Ours is the dash locality in the city. I repeat, ours is the dash locality in the city. Now here the adjective is good, right? Now here we are comparing our locality with many other localities in the city. So we will say that ours is the best locality in the city. So we will write the superlative degree of the word good. So the superlative degree of the word good is best. So the answer is ours is the best locality in the city. Next. Number 3. Anju is dash than Anita. I repeat, Anju is dash than Anita. Now here the adjective is tall. Children, here we are doing comparison between two girls, Anju and Anita. Right or not? We are comparing them. Understood? So, Anju is taller than Anita. So, here we will write the comparative degree of the word tall. Anju is taller than Anita. Next. Number 4. Honey is dash than milk. I repeat, honey is dash than milk. Now here the adjective is sweet. Understood? Now children, here again we are comparing two things, honey and milk. We are doing comparison between two things, honey and milk. So, which degree you will write over here? Yes, comparative degree. Understood? Because we are comparing two things. Understood? So, honey is sweeter than milk. Honey is sweeter than milk. Next. Number 5. You are the dash man in this company. I repeat, you are the dash man in this company. Now here the adjective is rich. Understood? Now children, here we are comparing one person with many other people in the company. So children, which degree you will write over here? Yes, you are correct. You will write the superlative degree of the word rich. What is the superlative degree of the word rich? Yes, the superlative degree of the word rich is richest. So, you are the richest man in this company. Got it? Next, number 6. Hari is dash than me. I repeat, Hari is dash than me. Here, the adjective is old. Now, children, here we are comparing two people. Right or not? So, which degree you will write over here? Yes, you will write the comparative degree of the word old. So, children, what will be the comparative degree of the word old? Yes, you are right. The comparative degree of the word old is older. So, children, Hari is older than me. Next, number 7. Krishna is the dash player in the team. Krishna is the dash player in the team. Here the adjective is young. Now children, here we are talking about only Krishna. Right or not? Here we are comparing Krishna with other players in the team. So children, which degree you will write over here? You will write the superlative degree of the word young. What will be the superlative degree of the word young? Yes, you are correct. The superlative degree of the word young is youngest. So children, Krishna is the youngest player in the team. So children, thank you very much. Today we have completed chapter number 6, degrees of comparison. In the next part, we will start with a new chapter. Till then, Sai Ram.